everybody, welcome to Highlight Crafts, one of our Christmas launches of Baby It's Cold Outside. And it really is a beautiful collection. Now these charming characters that I'm about to introduce you to are just amazing. They're super cute. You're going to have so much fun working and building with these. I just know you are. So let me introduce you to our little family of snowmen. Look who we have here. I just love that. You can't not but smile when you see little characters like this. Look, isn't he lovely? Look, you can even see that they've got the little scarves on, and he's brought him a little gift house. Or is he, it could be the angel for the Christmas tree, actually. So that's our first two characters, and you also get the matte layers for these. So that was Frosty and Frida, as we can see. Who have we got here? We've got Billy. This is Billy, and isn't he? He is, when you hear his name and that it's called Billy, all of a sudden you can see that he's the cute little character in the family. Everybody's got a little man like this, haven't they? Or a little girl like this that is super bubbly. You can tell his personality straight away. And then we have our foliage, and we wouldn't be Christmas without having our foliage. And this is our winter berry branch. Now, just look by snipping into it and changing it slightly, and then changing the orientation as you place it down, just how much this can go. So this will create an incredible full wreath. Maybe it's the L of a card and you do a small L at the top. Maybe it's just one all down one side. There's so much you can actually do with that particular one. Then we have this winter bough. Isn't it incredible? And maybe it's quite typical in some gardens that you'll see that, you know, when the snow falls, we've got that lovely swing on the tree. Isn't it gorgeous? It's just phenomenal. Adding your glitters and your highlights, making this shiny and glossy, adding in your faux snow is just going to swap this up and change it up brilliantly. Obviously, you've even got snow on the ground. It's almost like it's a little bit going dusk because of the colourway that we've got shaded on the floor. Now, we have got a nested set of snowballs as such. In these, look at these. Aren't these phenomenal? Look at how many you get in. And the artwork is beautiful. Now, when is a snowball not a snowball? When it can be the moon. So we've got all these moons as well. So it could be a moon in the sky, or you could build it that we'll change the colourway on this. And these are stones and boulders with a little bit of moss and things growing on them as well. So there's a lot you can use with this. So don't put this one away after Christmas because you will be using it again. So that's our nested snowball. Then we go back to our fabulous little characters. Isn't he adorable? So he actually comes that this little character is building his buddy here. So he's got his hat to put on, and you've got two different little carrot noses, okay? So you can put either one on, or you could have it on the floor ready that is picking it up to pop it on. It just evokes a scene straight away, just with the two little characters. And that is actually Baby It's Cold Outside. That's that die. And then we have his mate, his little buddy, that's actually rolling up the bodies of the snowmen. So they're going to make the rest of their family. Because remember, snowmen don't go away. They never go. They melt, but they come back again next year. So these are all gathering their friends back together is what I'd like to think that they're doing. So do you want to build a snowman is that one. And then we have our gatherings, which it's just brilliant. So here we have our lovely gathering. So we've got all our individual characters. We've even got the little hats, lots of little carrots for their noses, which again is just spectacular. Could just have a big pile of carrots at the side of one of them. It could be shopping for a new nose. That could be the part of your card that you do. He's shopping for a new nose and he's trying all different ones on. So then we've got to go to the gathering. So let me show you a few of the samples that we've got for this, and then we'll talk around the other pieces, the Minecraft Studio and also the SVGs. Now, when you think about making a Christmas project, let me bring this in. Look at this. Isn't that just beautiful. It really is a spectacular project. So thank you, Vicky, because that's from our design team. Vicky's made this. Isn't it stunning? So we've got a snow globe. We've got the snowballs on the front with the sentiments on here. Vicky's then used that lovely foliage on the outside edge. We've got some icy snow paste in the front, and then inside that beautiful scene of them all building snowmen. Isn't it adorable? So that is one of my favourites. I love that one. Then we've got a whole host of snowmen. Look at all these. So they're having a bit of, I don't know, it's a choir. I think they've come together to have a sing-along, if I'm honest. I think that's what's happening here. I don't know what the accumulative word is for snowmen. Lots of them, as a crowd of them. There's got to be, you know, like it's a parliament of owls. There must be something that it is to do with a snowman. So that is that one. And then another one that I'm going to share with you is just, I love these. So open this up. So here we have this lovely, it looks like it's going to be a book or a journal. And again, icy snow paste being used. We've got the snowballs as well. We've got the lovely foliage. But when you open it up, oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't that just fabulous? And our lovely Kath's made this for us. So it opens up to a beautiful little picture, snowy scene, or a couple of them actually. So we've got a real nice story going on in this one. So let me go over to the PC for the Minecraft Studio elements so I can just give you a little tour around there, and then we'll come back and show you another sample. And also I've got the class pieces as well to share with you that we've made to go along for the projects. So over here, let's have a new page. So on here with your Minecraft Studio, you're going to get your scene building. When you open your scene building, you've got all of the elements that you need. So beneath the bow has been snipped in two, so you can have it with or without the swing. We've got our, oh, look at these, aren't they? I love the fact that they're different. Look at these. Oh, love them. All these little characters. Let's bring on him as well. So you can make a little bit of family. The one that is building a snowman with his friend, you can actually change this up and have a really little teeny weeny one as well. Aren't they super cute? And then again, you've got the additions of the hat, the carrots, and also that beautiful, look how incredible that is. Just look at how many different ways you're going to be able to use this. And then obviously in Minecraft Studio, you don't have to have the red berries. You can change them to white. In addition to all of this, let's just move all of those out the way. Oh, I actually did less than 10. You've got your digital stamps. So now you can use these and create a beautiful scene. And rotate that round. So I could have that at the top, hanging over, make it smaller, make him a little bigger. And you can make yourself some coloured images as well. So you could have these for colouring in. And then finally, you're going to find that you have your USB. Now, in your USB, you're going to have your reflections, for your dies. So all you need to do when you're using these is bring them on. Make sure they're in there over your page, like so. Line it up, and then you can print those out, okay? So they fit your die, will go over the top, and you can cut them out. So you already have that. So you don't have to have an extra download or anything for them. So, and then in addition to your Minecraft Studio, you're also going to get your SVGs as well. So when you get your SVG files, as always, you're going to get those 3 sizes, you're going to get your decoupage elements, and the super fun thing about it is that you get your reverse reflection too. So lots of different ways of being able to work with these all together using your Minecraft Studio along with your SVG files and your dies. So your SVG ones, some things that you can't do with your dies is resize them. So that's why we give you the SVGs, because you've got the manipulative capability. Wow, that's big words, isn't it? That you can then create your own projects that you're wanting to create, not just cards, but also home decor. So let me just quickly show you what I've made in the class for you this time. So first of all, I made the actual backing paper, this image in the background, and I've created a lovely little scene using our icy snow paste, the faux snow, and also our lovely little dewdrops. So that is our first one. And we've got a little bit of a melty snowman on this side. This one's big, bright and bold to go in a picture frame, maybe with some Christmas lights with that one. The second one I did is that I went into Minecraft Studio, same image is in the background, but instead of actually leaving it as it was, I used my digital punch, punched it out, and then that's left me with this lovely hue to one side. I can create an image, but it also gives me space for journaling. So that may be a scrapbook page that you're wanting to do, but also it's toned down a lot, isn't it? So again, we've still got the icy snow paste on here, but it's not as bright. Maybe you're somebody that doesn't like things that are quite so full and bright. Maybe the first one is that's going into a children's bedroom. And this one is something that is going to be on the mantelpiece. Then finally, again, with that same image, reduced it down and turned it into my card front. Then with my dies, I've decoupaged my die elements and added all of that imagery to there. And then also using my little gatherings. So those are the 3 pieces that you're going to learn to create with the actual class. And then we are going to finally finish off. That's our last one. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, isn't that just spectacular? So using the star, and you've also got a moon fundamental that we've had just recently, you can create these beautiful apertures. Aren't they just incredible? So remember, also your snowmen, not just for, these little, where you've got your actual individual snowballs, not just for Christmas. So you're going to get all 3, that you're going to get your dies, you've got your SVGs, and also your lovely Minecraft Studio that can all work hand in hand, creating fabulous projects for you this Christmas, whether that be for home decor, gifts, or even just your card making. So thank you for coming along and being with me for this launch of our Baby It's Cold Outside, and we'll see you all again soon. Bye.
If you want to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all of our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video, or click here to see more videos like this one.